Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're getting a coarse error when your front end is trying to call your Flask backend API, this video is for you. Let me show you the 3 clean and correct scenarios in order to fix this issue. Let's just look at this issue and see what the root cause is before moving towards the fixes. Your front end might be running on something like localhost 3000 and your Flask app backend on localhost 5000. When the browser sees this cross-origin request, it blocks the response unless Flask explicitly allows it. The easiest and most common solution in Flask is using and installing Flask cors. Let's jump into the code so that you can know how this is done. So here there are 3 scenarios. The first one is to allow requests from any front end during development. Here we need to set the app variable and we need to give it to the cors which is installed, as I told previously, using the Flask cors. Once this is done, you can get rid of this error and you can use whatever API you need to call. The second scenario is to allow a specific front end. In that case, we need to select the incoming from which the user is trying to fetch, or our front end or the front end application is trying to fetch the data. We need to set it up as shown using the origins. The third one is if we want to enable cors for a single route. In this case, we need to set the origin plus the methods. Here we can select what method we need to allow. So we can, in this case, we have allowed all the get, post, put and delete. Thirdly, we allow the requests so that the authorization header can be formed. And that is it. All the routes are now accessible without cors issue. Now, when your front end fetches IOX or HTTP client, the browser will not be throwing that issue anymore. And that's the cleanest way to set it up in Flask. So here it is. We have come to the end of this video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section and I will be seeing you in the next one.